Video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Lexus NX300 if the battery's dead. Alright, there's your red positive connection and your negative. Pick up the red. Then the black. See, we only got 9.7 volts. Turn it on. Okay, go ahead and start it. Alright, also test the alternator output. Turn it off. Disconnect. That's it. Put the little cover back on. So there's how to jumpstart your Lexus NX300. I hope this video helped you out. Like I said, you can get this jump box and the tagged products down in the description. I also have jumper cables there and other roadside products if you want to buy some. If this video helped you out, please drop me a comment, let me know, share it with a friend, hype it, and give it a thumbs up, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.